Fed keeps on downplaying inflation.
That's their job. That's their job, is to downplay inflation. We've never had inflation. No, they're listen, everybody knows the cost of goods have gone up substantially, and they continue to go up every day. Inflation it's a secret retirement killer because people don't have the time or the ability to analyze all their expenses and how quickly they're going up. To say that the inflation's been basically locked in at 2% for the past, since, I don't know, 2001, doesn't make any sense. I mean, housing prices have gone up. I mean, I don't even know how many percentages. I mean, people still want to buy a house. Rent's gone up substantially. So I think the Fed has created a system where they can, pump money depending on how they want. They continue to pump money. And the way that they're able to justify it is that even if we pump as much money as we want, inflation never goes up, it stays at 2%. That's how they're able to justify it. If they came out and said we had 9, 10, 11% inflation, people say, well, let's just stop pumping money, and then the train stops. So I think that their role is to continue to play down inflation. But I can tell you right now, there's nobody that I talk to that thinks the price of goods aren't going up.
So why not just go to the gold standard? Why not go back to it?
Because it goes to what I was saying earlier, is that it doesn't allow a system where they can manipulate the money. That's the Federal Reserve and these banks that control the money are able to profit so substantially on this system of savings accounts paying nothing, treasury bonds paying nothing. So basically they pay these investors nothing. They go out and they lend money at 3, 5, 10, 12%, depending on what you're getting a loan on. And the system keeps going on. I mean, I always look at, like, for instance, like cars. Like, most items over time have gotten better, but nowadays everybody leases their car. People don't buy their cars because money's cheap. They've created this system where people that can't even afford cars are leasing cars. And it's because they can go out and they can get these loans that seem basically affordable. But shouldn't the cars today last for 20, 25, 30 years? Of course. But they've created this cycle where they convince you to keep, spending money unnecessarily. So I think that it's a system that is broken, undoubtedly, and until the BRIC nations and the world says we're not lending the US any more money, until that happens, it'll never stop. Hi, this is Colin Plume, President of Noble Gold Investments. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below or hit the link. Happy to get you a lot of good free information. Thanks so much.